Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Under this hydrocarbons, today we are going to discuss three problems in hydrocarbons. That is, first one, you refer your books 13.1. Write the structure of different chain isomers of alkanes of molecular formula C6H14. C6H14. And write the IUPAC name of the chain isomers. Listen, first you know carbon number 6. 6 carbon atom means the parent hydrocarbon is alkane, that is hexane. Hexane is the parent hydrocarbon of C6H14. So, totally 6 carbon atoms are present. It's very easy. First you put 6 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering the carbon atom as like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now substitute the hydrogen atom. First isomers, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is normal hexane. Normal hexane is the common name of the compound. IUPAC name of the compound also hexane. So, one compound is over. Second compound like this, C, 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 C. Straight chain consists of 5 carbon atoms. You substitute one carbon as the branch, C. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So, this is a iso compound, normal hexane, and numbering the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position methyl group is present. Therefore, 2 methyl. Straight chain consists of how many carbon atoms? 5. Therefore, 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane. And the next member. Straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Substitute 2 as the branch. CH3, 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 CH2, CH3. So, now numbering the carbon atom 2, 3, 4. Second carbon 2 methyl groups are present. Therefore, 2, 2 dimethyl. Straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, butane. Butane as the IUPAC name. And another one compound also possible, it is written like this. Straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms, here one methyl group, here one methyl group. So, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl, 3 methyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. Straight chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, butane. So, the carbon atom 6 hexane having how many isomers? 1, 2, 3, 4 isomers. All the 4 isomers are differ in their arrangements. Normal hexane or hexane, 2 methyl pentane, 2, 2 dimethyl butane, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. The next is problem 3.2. 13.2. So, in this problem, we are going to discuss the common and IUPAC names of these hydrocarbons associated with the formula for C5H11. C5H11. What is the general molecular formula for pentane? C5H12 is called pentane. Here one of the hydrogen atom is replaced. Therefore, we are going to write the general formula for alkyl groups. Different alkyl groups possible. Different possibility for alkyl groups of formula C5H11. So, the first one is CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, N-pentyl, N-pentyl group. This is the first member, and corresponding alkyl alcohols. This alkyl group followed by alcohol. So what is the alcoholic compound? CH3, CH2, 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 OH. So first alkyl group followed by this alcohol. This IUPAC name of the compound is 1-pentanol. 1-pentanol. In the carbon number 1, OH group is present. Therefore, it is called 1-pentanol. The second member, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Totally 5 carbon atoms. This compound is said to be secondary compound. So, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH3. 2-pentanol. The name of the compound is 2-pentanol. Third compound, change the position of functional group. CH, CH2, CH3. So similarly CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH3. This is 3-pentanol. 3-pentanol. And another one compound, it is written like this: CH3, 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 CH2. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CH3, CH2OH. So numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl, 2-methyl. So 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. 1 propanol. 1 propanol. 2, 2 dimethyl, 1 propanol. The next member is written like this: CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2. Totally 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So now numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position methyl group. Therefore, 2-methyl. Carbon number 1, OH group is present. 1. Totally 4 carbon atoms in the straight chain. 1-butanol. 1-butanol. So these are the some isomeric forms. And 3 other isomeric forms are also possible. 3 other isomeric forms. Listen. The next member is 6th. CH3, CCH3, CH2, CH3. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. The alcohol compound is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. What is IUPAC name of the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position methyl group and second position OH group. So 2-methyl. Totally 2-butanol. 2-methyl 2-butanol is the IUPAC name of the compound. This is the 6th form. So another one form like this. 7th form, CH3, CH3, CH3. The corresponding alcoholic compounds: CH3, CH3, CHOH, CH3. Here also numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-methyl 3-methyl-2-butanol. 3-methyl-2-butanol. The last compound, the alkyl group is like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2. The corresponding alcohol compound is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-methyl-1-butanol. 3-methyl-1-butanol. Third position. Totally 4 carbon atoms. Third position 1, 2, 3. Third position methyl group. Butanol. Here we will substitute the OH group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. CH3, CH, CH2, CH2. So this compound is called 3-methyl-1-butanol. 3-methyl-1-butanol. So these are the isomeric compounds obtained on the basis of the alkyl group C5H11. So totally 8 isomeric compounds are possible, or simply C5H11OH. C5H11OH. Totally 8 alcohol forms are possible. So under this compound we can differentiate 3 terms, or you must learn the 3 terms. First of all, you should identify primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols or compounds. Primary, CH2OH. OH group is attached with the CH2 group. Secondary, CHOH. Tertiary, COH. The OH group is attached with the COH, that is called tertiary. So you identify now, this is a primary, this compound is a secondary, these are also secondary alcohol, this is associated with primary alcohol, this is a primary alcohol, CH3, secondary alcohol, and this compound COH, it is a tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. Primary, secondary and tertiary carbons and its compounds are identified by this method. And also you can learn one more isomerism, that is the position isomerism. First you learn the chain isomerism. From this compounds you can learn another one isomerism called position isomerism. What is position isomerism? Organic compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in carbon skeleton is called chain isomerism. Differ in the position of functional group attached are called position isomerism. Different position functional groups are attached. Here carbon number 1 OH group is attached. Here carbon number 2 OH group is attached. Here carbon number 3 OH group is attached. Therefore, the compounds having the same molecular formula but different position, the functional groups attached are called position isomers. The phenomenon is known as position isomerism. So you go through the textbook for problem 13.2. So the last one is problem 13.3, how to write the IUPAC name of the compounds. It will be discussed in another class. You are also learned the table 13.1, the summarization. So all these terms are introduced or included for identify the correct IUPAC name of the compound. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.